If your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal got canceled and you saw a message like, "This withdrawal was canceled for your protection," don't freak out. This is actually pretty common. Let's break down why Cash App might cancel a withdrawal and how to fix it. First, Cash App might cancel a withdrawal if their system thinks the transaction looks suspicious. It doesn't necessarily mean you did anything wrong. It's just a built-in safety feature to prevent fraud and keep your funds secure. Sometimes even logging in from a new device using a VPN or changing your IP address can trigger this alert. Now, if your account isn't fully verified, that could be the issue too. Go into your settings and make sure everything's confirmed. Your name, email, social security number, and ID. Without full verification, Cash App may block or cancel certain actions like Bitcoin withdrawals. Completing verification often resolves most issues quickly and avoids repeated cancellations in the future. Always make sure your account details match exactly what's on your ID to prevent unnecessary blocks. Next, check if you've hit your Bitcoin withdrawal limits. Cash App has both daily and weekly caps. Just go into the Bitcoin section, tap on limits, and see where you stand. If everything looks fine but it's still not working, try updating the app. An outdated version can cause bugs or glitches, so always keep it up to date. If you're already on the latest version and still having trouble, uninstall and reinstall the app. That can help clear cached errors and resolve minor software issues. Still stuck? Open the app, go to your profile, hit support, and start a chat. Be ready to provide the transaction ID or any details from the canceled withdrawal so they can investigate properly. One last tip, don't keep trying to resend the same withdrawal over and over. That can trigger more security blocks. Sometimes waiting a day or two and trying again solves it. If this keeps happening, consider moving your Bitcoin to a different wallet temporarily to ensure your funds are safe. Staying calm, following the proper steps, and double-checking your account info usually gets everything back on track without issues, keeping your funds secure and accessible. Always make sure your email and phone number are verified as well, since Cash App uses them for added security alerts and confirmation.